In this episode, I'm going to talk about the importance of rock sliders. When automotive journalists talk about ground clearance, they're only talking about the under centerline clearance. They never talk about effective ground clearance, which is how much height you have at your rocker panel. The thing is, you'll eventually run out of that clearance, and that's where rock sliders are going to come in handy. You can see here that I am now on the rock slider, and if I didn't have them, it looks like I probably would have cleared this rock, but this is just an example. There's much bigger rocks out there when you're on your adventures.
Try moving forward a little bit. Alright, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Yep.
You're over.
Now go straight and keep going straight. Yep. You're kissing it a little bit.
I'm testing this off with you guys. Doing easy land and script land. Doing this for you because I love you.
Slow, 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 slow. Go slow, nice and easy. Nice and easy. That's it, baby.
The sliders did take some damage. Look at that. These are actually not sliders, they're Nerf bars. A dent right here. Boom. Dent right here. Scrape that up. Just showing you guys what could happen to your vehicles out here. Got hit right here. Yeah, it's not supposed to be like that. Weston. No matter what vehicle you drive, it's a good idea to have underbody protection, including rock sliders. For a vehicle like this third generation Toyota Tacoma, there's a lot of options out there. As far as the Honda platform, there is only one option, and that's Traxda. Everything else is just a thin-walled sidestep or running board that's not rated for supporting the weight of the vehicle. So the footage you see here is for educational purposes only. It's from the YouTube channel Trail Militia. They make some really hardcore off-roading content, so if you want to see what true difficult four-wheel drive is all about, check out their channel.
There we go.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Alright, keep on momentum. Nice.
Thank God for your slider! Hell yeah! Oh, keep going, you're good. It's just underneath, you're good.
Just step back. Let's grind the truck.
Nice.
Perfect. No, keep it, driver. Now slowly, passenger. Slow, 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 slow. Woo! Slow, bro!
Dude, he's smiling on his
Oh, slider. Go slow right here on the drop.
Oh, that slider hold up on
It did, dude?
Yeah.
Slider hold up on
It did?
Alright, this part's going to be a little difficult, and I got to make sure I hit it with some speed. Remember this. Got to go on this side right here. It's pretty good. Good little obstacle right here. Oh, fuck. Ooh. Rock slider. Ooh, I slammed pretty good there. I guess this is the Jeep experience. If it gets rough, I'll just turn around like I did at the other spot. There is the damage. Popping out these 3 clips. Hopefully they don't snap. And that just shattered. No, it's not any better. Oh, you just twist them. Okay. If I would have known. If I would have known. This one's kind of disconnected too. Yeah, we'll just leave it. Okay, so what I'll do is just reinsert them like so. Reinsert this one. And reinsert this one. And it should pop back in, right? In theory. So, whatever. And there we go. So it is misshaped right now. Oh fuck, actually. Got something going on here. So you'll see this fender actually kind of popped out because of the plastic. So they're held together by rivets. All right, this sucks. This part sucks. I'll figure out what to do about this though later. It's quite unfortunate. But I'm sure it could be repaired. It's just a matter of reconnecting the rivet wherever that may be. It looks like there's just a... We pull this out like that. Okay, getting somewhere. So okay, there we go. Yeah, good is, it's good enough. Right? It's not bulging out anymore. Alright, and so what I'll have to do is order a new one of those right there.
Here's the rock rail. It's very tight to the body. You could step on it a little bit if you wanted, but its intention is protection, so it's in really tight. Doesn't stick out at all. On this side of the side of the truck, we have the wider step. So this is much bigger, and you can stand on it with the door open or closed. But it does stick out farther from the truck. So this is the wider step side. And this is the rock rail side.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through.